The damage and the failure at the Toyota. First one is mechanical failure. Toyota has a problem with the onboard computer and including a faulty accelerator pedal that can stick or return too slowly. This issue are serious safety hazard leading to unweighted acceleration in some Toyota models. The second one is reputation damage. Toyota long-standing reputation for the reliability and quality was harmed by the way the problem was handled in the public eye. Customer faith and confidence being further damaged by the belief that Toyota was attempting to hide the seriousness of this issue and avoid taking appropriate action. The third one is a financial impact. In order to fix the mechanical problem, Toyota had to withdraw about 9 million vehicles globally. This ended in high repair and replacement expenses. Toyota share had a nearly 30 billion decline in the value in the week before and after recall announcement. Toyota revenue and market share dropped drastically as a result of their sale, which reached their lowest level in almost 10 years. The third one is human resource failure. The analysis has shown weakness in the Toyota HR process, particularly in areas such as reward and recognition, training, recruitment, performance management, corporate culture, leadership, development, retention, and risk assessment. This HR failure contribute to an environment where problems are ignored and negative information is downplayed. The reward system is to focus on the cost cutting and rapid growth has neglected security concerns. Effective trainings and performance monitoring system fail to equip manager to identify and act on safety issue and to deal with negative information. The last one, system management failure. The generalization of the failure in a variety of business areas, including relation, vendor management, government relation, and customer service, point to systematic management problem. Second one is across the board. Toyota lack a proactive management and responsibility has been by its inability to respond quickly to no mechanical concern.
The next part is the HR process that contributed to Toyota's downfall. The first process is about recruitment and selections. The issue is about potential shift in recruitment criteria leading to skill or cultural mismatches. This process lead to reduced alignment with organizational goals and culture. In my opinion, Toyota should reinforce cultural fit assessment and align recruitment criteria with evolving organizational needs. The second process is about training and development. In training and development, Toyota have outdated training program failing to keep pace with technological advancements. So the impact in Toyotas will be they will be decreased employee competence and innovations. So the recommendation for training and development is Toyota should update training programs to incorporate current technology trends and market demands. The third process is about performance and management. So, in performance and management, Toyota have issues in performance management affecting productivity and quality. This is will be impact in Toyota that make they increase their stress and reduce proactive problem solving. So, in performance management, Toyota should implement balanced performance metrics and supportive feedback mechanism. The fourth process is about employee engagement. In employee engagement, Toyota have declining morale, impacting teamwork and creativity. This will lead to impact diminish collaborative culture. So, to make Toyota's better in employment engagements. Toyota should enhance communication channels and leadership support for employee well-being. Next is about leadership development. In the leadership developments, Toyota have weak succession planning affecting strategic decision making. So the impact Toyota have lack of innovations and vision at seniors level. In my opinion, Toyota should strengthen leadership development programs and mentorship opportunities. Meanwhile, in workplace culture, Toyota's failure to adapt to globalized operations affecting continuous improvement and cultures. The impact is reduced adaptability and competitiveness. So, the recommendation for workplace culture, Toyota should foster a culture of adaptability and innovation across global operations. The second-last process in Toyotas is about compensation and benefits. So the issues is about shift in compensation structures leading to dissatisfaction. So the impact Toyota will decrease motivation and retention. In my opinions, Toyota should review and adjust compensation strategies to align with industry standards and employee expectations. And last but not least, the final process that contributed to Toyota downfall is about change management. The issues in change management is when Toyota have ineffective adaptation to environmental change impacting resilience. So the impacts Toyota will hinder recovery and organizational agility. The recommendation that I can give is about Toyota should strengthen change management processes to enhance responsiveness and adaptability.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Akilah binti Rosli. Today I will be discussing about some valuable lessons that we can learn from Toyota's experience, which is this is my answer for question number 3. I have 10 items here, but I'm going to explaining number 1 first, which is balanced reward systems. Companies need to reward various aspects like growth, cost saving, safety, and quality equally. If rewards focus only on cost saving, safety and quality may suffer. Toyota focused too much on cutting costs and neglected safety. This imbalance led to significant problems. Number 2 is effective training. Training should be comprehensive, covering both technical skills and problem solving abilities. For example, like addressing group thinking. Effective training could have helped Toyota managers identify and address bad news earlier. Number 3 is attentive hiring practices. Hiring the right people is crucial. Employees should not only be skilled but also willing to speak up when issues arise. Toyota's poorer hiring practices contributed to a culture where problems were ignored. Number 4 is strong performance management. A robust performance management system is essential to measure employee performance and problem handling capabilities. Such a system could have helped Toyota detect issues before they escalated. Number 5 is corporate culture alignment. A company's culture should promote openness and honesty. If the focus is solely on maintaining a good image and avoiding mistakes, problem can be worse. Toyota's culture of not discussing bad news hindered problem solving. Number 6 is leadership development. Leaders should be capable of making tough decisions and considering the company's future. Toyota's leaders were slow to address the core problems, indicating a need for better leadership development. Number 7 is employee retention. Retaining good employees, especially those willing to address issues, is really vital. Toyota may have lost valuable employees who felt ignored when they raised concerns. Number 8 is risk assessment collaboration. HR should collaborate with other departments to identify and assess risks. This proactive approach can prevent problems. Toyota might have resolved its issue sooner with better risk assessment collaboration. Number 9 is ethical leadership. Leaders must always act ethically even when it's challenging. Toyota's leaders didn't always prioritize safety and customer welfare, leading to ethical lapses. Last but not least, number 10 is crisis management. In a crisis, swift communication and action are critical. Toyota's delayed response to car problems exacerbated the situation. Timely crisis management could have mitigated the impact. So, in conclusion, Toyota's experience teaches us the importance of balanced reward systems, effective training, attentive hiring, strong performance management, a transparent corporate culture, strong leadership development, employee retention, collaborative risk assessment, ethical leadership, and efficient crisis management. Learning from these lessons can help us build a stronger, more resilient organization. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Okay, for the last question, suggestions to the management to improve working culture at Proton based on failure at Toyota. First, accept and welcome contradictions and diversity. Toyota promotes different perspectives and welcomes conflicting ideas. This encourages creativity and avoids group consensus. Proton should encourage open communication, question assumptions, and appreciate a variety of viewpoints. Motivate workers to come up with answers by surpassing their differences. Second, set impossible goals. Toyota's strategy involves establishing challenging goals that motivate employees to constantly enhance their performance. These objectives push forward progression and creativity. Proton can set ambitious but realistic objectives, motivate teams to be innovative, and aim for high quality. For the third one, local customization and experimentation. Toyota customizes its method to fit local environments and tests out innovative strategies. This variety sparks growth. Proton needs to promote localized solutions and experimentation, gain insights from mistakes, and keep trying. What values and communication? Toyota's methodology involves utilizing the core values of its founders and promoting open communication to maintain stability within the organization. Effective communication assists employees in understanding their surroundings. Proton need to take steps to strengthen fundamental beliefs, promote open and clear communication channels at every level. Fifth, employee engagement. Toyota acknowledges the crucial contribution made by line workers and supervisors. Committed employees are essential for achieving success. Proton should allocate resources to train employees, acknowledge successes, and engage staff in the decision-making process. Last but not least, cost optimization. Toyota effectively cut operational expenses by shutting down local parts facilities and reducing the number of company vehicles. Proton should carry on with cost reduction efforts while upholding high standards, motivate suppliers to lower expenses while maintaining high standards.